we do know that we have a lot of buildings to build. That being the case, it is upon us to see that this huge stock of buildings that we need to build, we build it responsibly. And by responsibly, I mean that making sure that it reduces or uses or releases as little emissions as possible right from design stage and throughout its entire life cycle.
We have realized there's need for us as a sector, there is need for us as a ministry to develop a plan which is going to guide all the players in the sector with a view of ensuring that by the time we reach 2050, we have realized our sector goals as aligned with the international and national commitment.
For Kenya, it means really we are creating a platform to transition our societies and communities to build resilience, not just socially, but environmentally and economically. And that means then we have an opportunity to create healthier, safer buildings and the built environment that can then be comfortable for communities. But separately, when it comes to the climate conversation, it also unpacks opportunities for businesses and really jobs for the youth. And I think this is a critical platform because Kenya is really a leader in this conversation in Africa and the world.
So a decarbonization roadmap will provide a tool that will provide set standards and targets. It will also bring stakeholders together who are all doing their own different things, trying to implement the decarbonization, a decarbonized future. And therefore, all of them will be able to come together and have one conversation. And it's easier to bring all policies and regulatory frameworks into one.
My expectations on the roadmap is that it will be inclusive and that it will bring everybody on board, because we acknowledge that without inclusivity, we will really not be achieving sustainability. And so inclusivity in terms of groups that have been traditionally marginalized or rather left out of conversations. And these groups are especially women and youth. So I want, or rather my vision for this is that these groups will be brought on board in the decision-making table. And also as these opportunities come up, the green opportunities that will come up, that they will also include these marginalized groups.
We have less than 2,000 days to get to 2030. This roadmap is not timely, it's actually a little late, but better late than never. And its mandates are going to be what allows us to achieve those goals and be in line with the Paris Agreement.